You might think you're the pinnacle of evolution, but your cells are missing some serious hardware compared to a common houseplant. Let's place an animal cell and a plant cell side by side. Look at the boundaries. Your animal cells just have a squishy, flexible membrane. But plant cells? They build a literal fortress around themselves, a rigid cell wall that gives them permanent structure. And then there's storage. While your cells have tiny little compartments, plant cells construct a massive central vacuole. It's a pressurized water tank that keeps the whole plant standing tall against gravity. Let's zoom into the powerhouse shared by both plants and animals, the mitochondrion. It looks like a simple bean, but its inner membrane is folded into complex ridges. If we magnify just a tiny slice of this membrane, we find a microscopic factory line called the electron transport chain. As high-energy electrons are handed down this chain, the proteins use that energy to pump protons across the barrier. This creates a massive traffic jam of protons on one side. It is quite literally a pressurized chemical battery waiting to be unleashed. But here's where plants leave us in the dust. They have a second green power plant called the chloroplast, packed with tiny solar panels. When sunlight hits these stacks, they use that energy to literally rip water molecules apart. This releases oxygen into the air and charges up chemical batteries. Those batteries then power the dark reactions out in the fluid space. Here, the plant pulls invisible carbon dioxide from the air and stitches it together into solid sugar. Let's put them head to head. Both cells share the same basic blueprint, but the plant cell brings some serious extra gear to the survival game. While your cells rely on you to constantly hunt down food, a plant cell is a self-sustaining fortress. It builds its own fuel from sunlight and shields itself with heavy armor. So, are they more advanced? They are definitely more independent. Next time you look at a simple leaf, remember you are staring at billions of microscopic, solar-powered castles.